What sells the most? Well, we all know that the top NFT right now is the crypto punks. But if you want to make a lot of money flipping NFTs, then this is what you have to do. So, I'm going to be sharing with you the secret in terms of how I was able to more than 10x my investments in NFTs, what to look for, and more importantly, how you can do the same. But first, what I need you to do is subscribe, like, and comment because this is very powerful and amazing stuff. So, first of all, what NFT sells the most? Well, let's look at the charts right now. Let's look at the charts in terms of what is the highest ranking NFT right now. So I'm at OpenSea and I'm gonna pull it up and go to the marketplace and show you which one is the top ranking NFTs. Okay. So when it comes to picking NFTs, what you have to do is you have to do your research. One of the things that we want to not do is lose money. So what we have to do is we have to do our due diligence before we start investing. And in the beginning, I made a lot of mistakes because of I just FOMOed in without doing my research, and a lot of people have or went into that position. Toads. Okay. So as you can see right now, top NFTs. Bang. Right there. Crypto punks, cryptos, art block curated, bored apes, cyberkongs, humanoids, art blocks, galactic apes, bears deluxe, winter's bears, and we can go on and on. But let's start with these. So, CryptoPunks, just an art. For now. Bored Ape Yacht Club. Well, you can do a lot of things with Bored Ape Yacht Club. You can mix, you can create special types of NFTs. And this one is the one that I've been eyeing recently because of it gives you a passive income if you have the Genesis Cyberkongs, which generates you bananas. And currently, right now, the bananas is about $47. So, first, number one, what to look for when it comes to NFTs. What NFT sells the most? First one is going to be the community slash following. Now, when there is a big community backing up the NFT, then that gives you a good lead in terms of where the project is heading. If you check the Twitter, it has a significant amount of following. If you check the Discord, it has a significant amount of active people in there that are communicating and passionate community. Because a passionate community is very important. When there's a community behind the project, it will give the project a strong floor price. And what it will also do is that it will give it a you say a following, that it will just increase, right? So that's one of the things you have to do in research and figure out in terms of, do you want to get involved in the project, and also, are you just doing it for the flip, are you doing it for a long-term hold, and etc. So the most important part is going to be the community, the following behind that project. And number two is going to be utilities. So what do I mean by that? When I pulled up here CyberKong, one of the utilities for the CyberKong is that the CyberKongs had a baby Kong, right? It gave you another, if you owned a CyberKong, it will give you another baby, or it will give you a baby Kong, which is for free. And now this also, the Genesis has a certain type of CyberKong, which will allow you to get passive income. Now the floor price for the Genesis is crazy right now, and it looks like it's not going to be slowing down. The reason being is because of it's giving you consistent passive income. People are making hundreds of dollars passively from that CyberKong. So that's the second thing, is going to be utilities. What are the utilities for the NFTs? I'm doing my research and getting involved in more of the NFTs for gaming, because gaming is one of the ways, esports is $1 billion industry, and once it gets tapped by, and it gets exposure from the crypto industry and the NFT industry and the gaming industry, then it's going to be an explosive industry. So if you watched my last video, I also showed where we are in terms of the prediction and the movement of NFT. I highly suggest you watch that one, because it gives you an idea on what stage we are in and where we are headed. But these are the most two important things that you should look for when it comes to NFTs, in terms of which NFT sells the most. Why? These two right here. So every time you're looking to get into a project, just write this down, make a mental map, remind yourself, is there a community, a following behind it, and is there a utility? One investment I made was Dodge Pound, and they have a strong community. I'm currently looking at the Discord chat and watching from the sidelines to see how passionate they are, and you can see that recently they're coming out with a passive income to the Dodge Pound OG holders. So they're planning to release more and more utilities for the OG holders, and also as a Dodge Pound holder, you will get access to the new releases. I also invested into these nuts NFTs, and those are before the release. So I got the pre-release, and with that, I was able to mint at a low cost with no gas wars, which saves you a lot of money. There was a maximum of 3, so that was good, because it allowed everybody to get access to these nuts. It's funny when I said that, but that's about it. Just remember these two important notes. Make sure that you keep reminding yourself that this NFT is just the beginning phase. It's going to explode. You can see, and as you can tell, you're not late to the party, but you will be late if you don't take advantage of it right now. That being said, comment, subscribe, like. I'm going to explode this channel, and I want you to be a part of that growth. Thanks.